Once the bot flow is created as per your requirements, test it thoroughly before deployment. Testing ensures the bot functions correctly before going live, helps identify issues early, and prevents a poor user experience. Click Test Bot to open the bot preview. Interact with the bot as a user to validate the flow. Here's an example of booking a doctor's appointment, and complete the flow by clicking Book a Doctor Appointment. Select a specialty, choose a date and time, then enter your name, mobile number, and email. This completes the flow. After answering all the bot prompts, review each step carefully. In this case, there is an error message because the word time is misspelled. Now identify the specific block causing the issue and resolve the issue you have within the block. Once the source of the issue is found, you can test the bot directly from that block instead of restarting the entire flow. Recheck the bot prompt, and you'll see the issue has been resolved. This approach saves time and allows you to verify changes instantly. For deeper troubleshooting, you can review logs. Logs provide detailed insights into events, errors, and data flow, making them especially useful for debugging APIs, webhooks, and functions. After testing, if you want to share this test bot's link to your team, go to Bot Builder. Click the context menu on the bot card and select Share. Share this link with your team to collect feedback before deployment. Once testing and feedback are complete, you're ready to deploy a stable, reliable bot with confidence.